guys and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a really long time. Life, COVID, all that good stuff. But I'm back and I have my 2021, is it? Yeah. It's the Beautylish, would help if I showed you that. It's the Beautylish Lucky Bag, anyway, this year's. So I wanted to unbox it on here, as I always do for the last, like, what is it, 3 years? Just to prove that I haven't opened it. I know it's a bit late this year, but I missed the delivery and then life just got in the way, so we're doing it now. So let me open it up and we can crack on. I'm just going to take out the inside so you don't hear all the noise, and then I'll be back. Everything is in here. I've not really looked at it. I know obviously you can see through the plastic, but I haven't actually looked fully at it so we can get a good idea of what it is. So I'm just going to put my hands in. I'm like looking away, like the things you do for YouTube. So I'm just going to put my hands in and grab the first thing that I find. So the first thing that you have is a Good Molecules Pineapple Exfoliating Powder, formulated with fruit enzymes, vitamin C and rice powder to soften, brighten and gently exfoliate. That's quite exciting actually, because I have got right into skincare at the moment. I'm 34 this year, so I've decided, you know, I've made the effort to look after my skin and I've been buying loads of hydrating products. I'm quite dry, so yeah, that'll be a good one to add to my collection, and I know that Good Molecules is good. So, next one, this is a brush for sure. Yep, it's a, Sonia G. I don't know what it's like a little packer brush. That's cute, really, really soft. I love the handle. It's called a flat definer, so that'll be really nice. I always need these little tiny brushes, so I'm happy with that one. Let's go back in again. Last year's wasn't that great, so far this one's been better. Oh my god, a Natasha Denona Chroma Crystal Liquid Eyeshadow! I wanted one of these. Orbade? Is that how you pronounce it? I don't know. But I wanted one of these, like, so pricey. Look at that. It's beautiful. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Yes, really, really happy with that. So I will do a look very soon using that beauty. What's the next thing? Oh wow, it's a, are you meant to say, is it Uma? I don't know how, Uma Beauty, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but it's from the Black Magic Carnival collection, and it's a Hypnotic Impact Metallic Shine Lipstick. So let's see, I hope it's in a good colour. Oh, it's a lipstick. Oh, I love it. The packaging, like, first off, can we just look at this packaging? Très cute. Oh, oh my days. Like, I don't even know if my camera is going to show you how friggin' beautiful that is. Can you see? It's like got glitter around it. Oh, that is stunning. I don't even know if I could use it. It's like, so it's literally like crystals. They're not, it's part of the, oh my god, yes. Happy with that. And I've always wanted to try this brand, especially because I want to start using more black owned businesses, which I know this one is. It's just I can't afford it at the moment. So, but I am really, really happy with that. So I'm diving back in and seeing what else we have. So it's a big box. Oh, so this is a face roller. Oh, it's right pink as well, which goes with my aesthetic. I actually don't know if these do anything. Do they do anything? Are they just a gimmick? So it's meant to, like, this one is for tired and stressed skin, which I definitely have at the moment, so we will see and I will let you know if I find it any good. But it is a nice one to have just to look. Right, one more thing now. This is the Pillow Talk Luxury Palette of Pops Colour Coded Eyeshadow by Charlotte Tilbury, and I know I don't have this one. And the packaging is just so cute. So let's have a look. Iconic packaging. Oh, wow. Oh, they're really like nice colours then. Obviously it's the Pillar Talk range, so it's going to be that, you know, like pinky browny bronzes. So I'm happy with that one. And I don't mind that it's all shimmers because I have plenty of matte palettes to use with it. So yeah, that is everything. The bag is empty now. I am actually really happy with this year's bag. Last year's was a bit of a meh. So I am actually really happy with what I got. I've got to try these two. Well, this brand is totally new to me. This is a new product. I've got a Natasha Denona palette, but this is a new product. Ooh, if anyone wants a tutorial using one of her palettes with this, let me know. I think this is cute, even if you just have it as just something to look pretty on your vanity, because it's pink marble-esque stuff. I think it's cute. The Charlotte Tilbury obviously is really good. I do like the wee brush. I wish it was a Wayne Goss brush, because like I think my first 3 boxes got Wayne Goss brushes. Because they're amazing brushes, but they're just something I'd never buy because they're like, I think it's like £30 a brush, and I'm sorry, there's just so many more affordable brushes that are just as good. But yeah, I'm happy to have this one and try it out, and I will let you know how the Good Molecules goes. So that is my collection of goodies. So if you do want to check out this for next year, make sure you sign up on the Beautylish website. They go on sale Boxing Day, and then they ship early to mid-January. Obviously I'm in the UK, so mine take a bit longer to come. It's $75 plus, I think it's $15 for shipping, and then you have taxes and stuff put on top of that. So I think I paid like £100, I want to say, altogether. That's including customs payments, shipping, and obviously the products. So swings and roundabouts, if you think it's worth it, you probably could just use the money just to get these products yourself, which you could do, but I like the surprise of it. It's a surprise to me, and it's like, ooh, I don't know, I just really like it. You can also, if you live in America, you can get the XL box, which I think is $150, which I wish I could get, but they don't ship to the UK. I'm so gutted. So if you do want to check them out, do it. I save up all year for this, so I put money aside so I can get it. And and loads of people said, why don't you just buy the products? But like, again, I like the surprise. So anyway, I'm going to stop waffling. It's really good to be back. If there's any videos that you want to see from me, any looks or anything like that, please do let me know. I have done like a little how I did this on TikTok. If the footage came out alright, let's not talk about TikTok. So hopefully that'll be there just to get an idea of how I did this. And yeah, if you want to see anything else from me, please do hit me up, and I look forward to growing with you this year. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon. Mwah!